central Spalding County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding from the imminent failure of Heads Creek Reservoir Dam. Source, Emergency Manager. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Immediate evacuation for areas downstream from the Heads Creek Reservoir along the Heads Creek, including West McIntosh Road, Vaughn Road, West Ellis Road, Moon Road, and may impact Highway 16 after the creek drains into the Flint River. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of west central Spalding County. This includes the following streams and drainages: Wildcat Creek, Flint River, and Heads Creek. Flooding is occurring along the Heads Creek. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. If you are in low-lying areas below the Heads Creek Reservoir, you should move to higher ground immediately. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A Red Cross shelter is now open in City Park in Griffin.